ministry. So, as a student facing with variety of fees, there are so many bills that I need to settle down. So I make a decision to make a PTPTN loan.
So listen, what is your intention to meet me here today?
So I want to know the status and progress of my PTPTN application recently.
I remember that you already applied from us, right?
That's true.
Okay, good news for you. Your loan has been approved by us.
Thank God. Can I know the detail?
Yeah, sure. So, what your amount of loan you will get, it actually based on your parents' salary. And the amount you will get from us is only 8,940 ringgit 43 cents. Is that enough for you?
Yes, I agree on that.
Oh yeah, there's another thing you need to know.
What is it?
We actually charge you with 1% of interest compounded annually.
Oh my God. It's okay. I agree on that also.
Okay, so like we have agreement, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you
Thank
for
you.
your application.
Thank you.
From the video, we can conclude that Cik Wan borrowed 8,940 ringgit and 43 cents from Tabung Pendidikan PTPTN at an interest rate of 1% compounded annually. So the first question, how much she need to pay after 5 years? To start, P equals to 8,940 ringgit and 43 cents. K equals to 1%, which is 0.01. T equals to 5 years. M equals to compounded annually, which is 1. I equals to K over M, which is 0.01 over 1, equals to 0.01. N equals to MT, which is 1 multiply 5 equals to 5. So the formula we are going to use is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. So we fill in the numbers 8,940.43 in bracket 1 plus 0.01 to the power of 5. So the answer is 9,396 ringgit and 48 cents.
So, we proceed to the next question, which is Chapter 3, Compound Interest. If PTPTN decided to increase the interest rate from 1% to 1.5% in the third year, find the total amount of she need to pay to the PTPTN. Based on the question, if PTPTN decided to change the interest rate from 1% to 1.5% in the third year, we have to calculate the amount that Cik Wan need to pay to the PTPTN. But before we proceed to the calculation, in the third year, we have to calculate for 1 to 2 years before the interest rate change. To find the amount of Cik Wan needs to pay back to the PTPTN, we should using the formula S equal to P1 plus I to the power of N to calculate the amount that she needs to pay back. We have the value of the notation of P, which is 8,940 ringgit and 43 cents. And then we have the value of K and M, which is 0.01 and compounded annually equals to 1. So based on the formula of I equals to K over M, which is 0.01 over 1 equals to 0.01. And then N equals to the number of she paid with the interest rate, which is 2. So based on the rule of BODMAS, we have to solve the calculation of the bracket, which is 1 plus 0.01 to the power of 2, which is 1.0201. And then we multiply by 8,940 ringgit and 43 cents, which is we get 9,120 ringgit and 13 cents, which is the value or the amount of S for 1 to 2 years that she need to pay. After that, we have to calculate the amount of Cik Wan needs to pay to the PTPTN by using the same formula, which is S equal to P 1 plus I to the power of N, but we change the amount of P, which is 9,120 ringgit and 30 cents as the amount of the notation of P. So according to the BODMAS, we have to solve the calculation in the bracket. So 1 plus 0.015 to the power of 3, we will get the amount of 1.045678,375, and then multiply by 9,120 ringgit and 30 sen, which is we will get the 9,536 ringgit 72 sen.
This is Tengku Sumbu. Her husband just kicked her out from the house after some conflict. So her mission now is to find any shelter that could heal her inner soul. By some miracle, she met someone.
Hello dear. Looks like you have some problem here. Mind to tell me why? Yes. Yes. I have a solution for you. Let's go. So Mr. Go, look at our bag. I know this house is suitable for you and it can heal your inner soul.
Yes, it's suitable for me and my inner soul. So can we proceed with my agreement?
Yes, sure. Let's go. Okay, Tengku. I already do the paperwork and got the approval from the bank to make a loan for you.
So Miss Azra, can you tell me the details?
So, based on this loan, you are required to pay 175 ringgit and 36 cents monthly for 300 months. So the total of the loan that has been approved is 33,224 ringgit. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Azra.
Based on the video, we know Tengku Sumbu made a loan 33,224 ringgit to buy a house at Pasir Mas. She is required to pay 175 ringgit and 37 cents monthly for 300 months. So for the first question, we need to find the interest amount that has been charged. Based on the video, we have the information of A equal to 33,224, R equal to 175.37, T equal to 300, over 12 equal to 25, M equal to 12. N is equal to MT, which is 12, multiplied to 25 equal to 300. And I is equal to K over M, which is 0.0654 divided by 12 equal to 0.00545. The formula we use here is I equal to R multiplied to N minus A, which is 175.37 multiplied to 300 minus 33,224, which is equal to 52,611 minus to 33,224. So I is equal to 19,387 ringgit.
So we can proceed to the next question. Question B. He missed the payment for 3 months in the 7th year. How much he need to pay in the 4th month if the interest charge is 6.56%? So how we want to answer the question? Just as we answer the question A, we need to gather all the information first. First of all, we need to find the value of A. A equal to 33,224 ringgit. Next step, we want to find the value of R. R equal to 175 ringgit 37 cents. Next step, we want to find the T. Need to remember, T need to be in years. So we will divide the 300 month with 12. Then we will get our final answer, 25 years. Next step, we want to find the M. M is actually the frequency of payment. Tengku Sumbu pay his loan monthly, so it's equal to 12. M equal to 12. Next step, we want to find the value of N. N in this statement is actually refer to the number of payment that Tengku Sumbu need to make. In this question, it says that Tengku Sumbu missed the payment 3 months. Then he want to settle all the payment in the 4th month. So he need to pay for the 4 month. So then N equal to 4. Next step, we want to find the K. K will be equal to 6.54%. But we need to transfer this answer into the 0.0654. Next step, we want to find the N. This time, this N is actually refer to the interest period. Based on the formula, N will be equal to M multiplied with T. M equal to 12 and T equal to 25. Then we will multiply it. We will get our final answer, N equals to 300. Next step, we will find the amount or value for the I. I equal to K divided with M. So the value of K is 0.0654 will be divided with the value of N, which means 12. Then we will get our final answer, 0.00545. Next step, we need to know what formula we need to use. So in this topic, we have the special case. In this question, the special case is that Tengku Sumbu missed his payment. When you miss a payment, you need to use the formula S bracket N bracket equals to R multiply bracket 1 plus I bracket power N minus 1 divided with I. Then we will put all the information into the formula. We will get our R equal to 175.37. Then we will multiply it with bracket 1 plus 0.00545 bracket power 4 minus 1 divided with 0.00545. Then we will get our final answer, 175.37 bracket 4.032818972 bracket. Then we will multiply both the value. We will get our final answer, 707 ringgit 24 cents. That's all from our team. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very helpful for you guys to more understanding this topic. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you very much.